distance pieces, various nuts and bolts. Some of those I wanted to replace. I'll have to have a look through all the part numbers and figure out what was for what. Here we go. Seals galore. Oh, handbrake grommet. I did get one of those. They're the little felt gaskets for the end of the axles. I can't quite figure what that is. What does it say? Shackle plate. Right. Well, I couldn't help myself. Since I got all the bits and pieces, I just got stuck into it and completely forgot about filming. Effectively, it's the same as when you dismantle it. You just got to go in reverse order. So basically what we did was we did a little bit different. Put the springs on first, and then we put the axle in place, positioned the whole lot, and then put the U-bolts through, so that you could do it a number of ways, but use plenty of copper slip. And as you can see, still got to get the nuts, bolts and spacers for that. But yeah, super happy, and I've just got to tighten them up so you can see that they're not tight in as yet. So yep, looking good. So I'll finish that off over the next period of time, because what I'm doing is to get those bits and pieces that I need. I'm actually getting the fronts done. I'm sending them out to Springworks to get them done, and while I'm there, they'll create the spaces that I need, or I'll actually be able to purchase them, because I need them for here as well. So all up I need 12. Once they come back, I'll do the same. I'll put the front springs on with the axle incomplete, and then I'll build the swivels while they're on the vehicle. Well, that's the plan anyway. So you can see it's all there ready to go. So certainly having the rear axle in place is such a boost in morale, because you get to a point where everything's just disassembly, clean, and then ends up being like that. So when you start getting things put together, actually it was quite quick. I think we did this in about an hour. It does help, and it's looking pretty good, all nicely painted up. So that's a quick update. Apologies for the fact that I didn't film any of this being put together, but I'll do for the front, and I will move on from there. So watch this space. Thanks for watching.